Hello students, welcome to Rohit Tutorials. In this lecture, we will discuss about the conversion of non-deterministic finite automata to deterministic finite automata. In our previous video, we have discussed one problem based on the NFA to DFA conversion. Now the second problem related to this. So it consisting of four states Q0, Q1, Q2, Qf and the transition is given. So first step, so this is called as NFA. Why NFA? Because for the given input 1, suppose there are the multiple choices is available. At Q0 state, suppose 1 is occur, it goes to Q0 as well as it goes to Q1. At Q1 state, suppose one input symbol is occur, it goes to Q1 as well as it goes to Qf. Means for a single input, multiple choices are available. But whenever we consider the deterministic finite automata, only single choice is available for the given input from the current state. So we have to convert this non-deterministic finite automata to deterministic finite automata. So first step, while conversion of NFA to DFA, write down the state transition table based on the state transition diagram. So first step first, here Q0, Q1 as a state, Q2 as a state, and last is Qf as a state. Inputs are 0 and 1. At Q0 state, suppose 0 input is occur, it goes to self loop Q0 and Q2. Q0 and Q2. At Q0 state, 1 input is occur, it goes to self loop as well as to Q1. Q0, Q1. Next at Q1 state, there is no any 0 input transition is occur, so that's why here dash is present. At Q1 state, suppose 1 input is occur, it goes to Q1, Qf. Q1, Qf. At Q2 state, 0 input is occur, it goes to Qf. At Q2 state, one input is occur, there is no any transition for input 1, so keep it as a dash. Now at last Qf state, no any 0 transition is present, no any 1 transition is present. So this is the state transition table for the given diagram. So this is the non-deterministic finite automata. So now we have to convert this non-deterministic finite automata to deterministic finite automata. So second step, write down the initial transition as it is. Step second. Q0 input, state 0 input is occur, it goes to Q0, Q2. 1 input is occur, it goes to Q0, Q1. It goes to Q0, Q1. Now find out the new state in the transition table. Here the new state is Q0, Q2. So write down it in the state column Q0, Q2. Find out what happen whenever the input 0 is occur at Q0, Q2 state combined. Q0, Q2 state, suppose 0 input is occur, it goes to Q0, Q2 and Qf. It goes to Q0, Q2 and Qf. Now next, at Q0, Q2 state, 1 input is occur. Q0, Q2 state, 1 input is occur, it goes to Q0, Q1 and dash. So it becomes Q0, Q1. Now new state is this completed Q0, Q1. Q0, Q1. At Q0, Q1 state, suppose 0 input is occur, it goes to Q0, Q2. It goes to Q0, Q2. Q0, Q1, 1 input is occur, it goes to Q0, Q1, Q1, Qf, that is Q0, Q1, Qf. Q0, Q1, Qf. Now next is, this state is completed, new state is Q0, Q2, Qf. Q0, Q2, Qf. Q0, Q2 and Qf. What happens whenever 0 input is occur? It goes to Q0, Q2, Qf state. It goes to Q0, Q2, Qf state. Q0, Q2, Qf, one input is occur. Q0, Q2, Qf, one input is occur. Here dash is present, for Q2 also dash is present. Only Q0, Q1 is there. Q0, Q1 is there. Now next state is Q0, Q1 already taken. Q0, Q2 already taken. Q0, Q1, Qf. Next state is Q0, Q1, Qf. Q0, Q1, Qf. Q0, Q1, Qf. Zero input is occur. Here dash is present. Here dash is present. Only Q0, Q2. Only Q0, Q2 is present. Now next is whenever at Q0, Q1, Qf state one input is occur. Q0, Q1, Qf state one input is occur. It goes to Q0, Q1, Q1, Qf. That is Q0, Q1, Qf. Q0, Q1, Qf. Next is Q0, Q2, Qf already taken. Q0, Q1 this state already taken. Q0, Q2 new state already taken. Q0, Q1, Qf already taken. So this is the state transition table for conversion of NFA to DFA. Now draw the state transition diagram from the given table. So here first state is Q0, that is initial state. Whenever zero input is occur, it goes to, whenever the zero is occur, it goes to Q0, Q2. It goes to Q0, Q2. Next is, whenever 1 is occur, it goes to Q0, Q1. Whenever 1 is occur, it goes to Q0, Q1. Next is, at Q0, Q2 state, 0 is occur, it goes to Q0, Q2, Qf. 0 is occur. Suppose here, it goes to Q0, Q2, Qf. Now next is Q0, Q2 state, 1 is occur, it goes to Q0, Q1. 1 is occur, it goes to Q0, Q1. At Q0, Q1 state, 0 is occur, it goes to Q0, Q2. 0 is occur, it goes to Q0, Q2. At Q0, Q1 state, 1 is occur, it goes to Q0, Q1, Qf. At Q0, Q1 state, 1 is occur, it goes to Q0, Q1, Qf state. 1 is occur, it goes to Q0, Q1, Qf. Now next is Q0, Q2, Qf. Q0, Q2, Qf, 0 is occur, the self loop is present. Here the self loop is present. Next is Q0, Q2, Qf, 1 is occur, it goes to Q0, Q1. It goes to Q0, Q1, 1 is occur, it goes to Q0, Q1. Okay, next is Q0, Q1, Qf. Whenever 0 is occur, it goes to Q0, Q2, and 1 is occur, it goes to self loop. 1 is occur, it goes to self loop. So these are the transition from the given state transition table. So we call it as the deterministic finite automata. Why? Because it consisting of input for a given state, only a single transition is present. There are no any other choices available from the given state. Suppose at Q0 state 0 is occur, it goes to Q0, Q2. Whenever at Q0 state 1 is occur, it goes to Q0, Q1. That is, only one choices is available from the current state. Only one choice is available. So how these states are coming? Q0, Q2, Q0, Q2, Qf, Q0, Q1, Qf, Q0, Q1. From where these states are coming? This is called as a power set of Q. These states are coming from the power set of Q. What is meant by power set of Q? Power set of Q considered as 2 raised to Q. 2 raised to Q. We have already discussed about this power set of Q. So these states are from the power set of Q. Whenever we are considering a non-deterministic finite automata to DFA conversion. For that, we require the state that states are coming from the power set of Q. Okay, so this is the final NFA to DFA conversion. Now we require the final states. What are the final states? In the NFA, QF is the final state. Now find out those states that consisting of QF as a symbol. So here there is no any QF is present. Here there is no any QF is present. Here QF is available. Q0, Q2, QF is available. So that's why we consider this as the final state. Now again, this state, this is also called as the final state. Means there are two final states are available because it consisting of QF as a symbol. So we consider this as a final state because F, capital F belongs to, or it is a subset of, it is a subset of capital Q. Means more than one final state are available while conversion or any DFA to or any NFA. More than one final states are available. So F is a subset of capital Q. So here the two final states are available, Q0, Q2, QF and Q0, Q1, QF. I hope you understood this problem. Thank you.